So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Canva, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on Canva, as you know, Canva is one of the best platform that you can use to edit multimedia content. So whether it is a video, photo, document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, website too. And if you want, you just need to go to the Canva website and log into your account, and make sure, this is just a recommendation, make sure that you have a premium subscription to your account, since it will give you more access to templates and more access to the editing features that Canva offers. So that's it. So if you want to create a website, first you just need to click on the go to the homepage. This is the homepage or the dashboard. You can search for the templates right here, or you can choose this one, website. So if you click this one, you will be redirected to this page right here, this one right here. So as you can see, this is just a blank space for a website. So this is where you can create your website from scratch if you want to do it. But don't worry, Canva will always offers you some templates that you can use and customize it, so you don't need to hassle yourself creating the website starting from scratch. So there's a bunch of as you can see, most of them needs to have a premium subscription before you can access it. So make sure that you subscribe first before creating a website on Canva to utilize the full uh, capability of the platform. So for example, let's just choose this templates first. So this is actually the templates. So let's just change the template first, since it's not good. So let's just search for a website template on the dashboard. Let's say this one, website templates. Oh no, templates. So this one. So actually, so you can see the Canva will show you a bunch of free and paid templates. So let's just use this one, customize this one. So this one, so for example, yeah, you can just input some hyperlinks to this one if you want, and add a section if you want to. You can just explore and customize these templates more to make it unique. You can change the pictures of this. If you want, you can just delete the you can just remove the picture from it and replace it just like this. Click replace background to you know change the pictures of this. So for example, this is a website of your bio or your profile. Yes, you can just input some hyperlinks on each of this, that and put your social media links just like this. Click right click link, and paste your link right there. So it would have a link if they click it. So yeah, you just customize this website fully on your own, and it's very much easy because it's Canva. And if you want to publish the website, just click this one, publish website. So after editing the website itself, click publish website, and right here you need to create a site address. So it is a custom site address. You can put whatever you want. For example, this one, or okay, this one. And after you create your site address, click publish, and it will start preparing your design. So right here, as you can see, the website is now live. You can just copy it, or you can view the website. So this is how my website would look like. This one right here. As you can see, it is designed with Canva. It has terms and support too. And yeah, that's how you can publish website. And if you want, you can copy the link and post it also on your social media so that people can see it too. That's it. That's how you can publish a website on Canva. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.